Hey guys, I'm here with another property. We're still in that gated community. This was in Snellville, 6 bedrooms, 5 baths. Association dues $2,580. Lot size is 0.34 and square footage is 6,249. We're going to take a look at it today. I think you guys are going to like this one. You spin it around and give you a lookie. All right. And you're here in a quiet, gated community. This property here is well maintained. We gotta close the door. Immediately to your right, you have a sitting room. You can make this an office. And as usual, I always ask what you guys think. There is no light switch because this room doesn't have a light, so you have to use like a lamp. It's still a great office space. This is your dining area. I'm gonna head this way to the kitchen. That's a door that leads to the basement. So you have a hallway that leads to the family room, but what is this door? Oh, that's the garage. Somebody left that open. We'll take a look. Nice cabinets. Decent appliances. You guys can work with that. 2 ovens. Microwave, a nice refrigerator. I believe this is a pantry. You have a laundry room. Nice laundry room. Not as big as the other one we saw in the same area, but very nice laundry room. And you have a door that leads to outside. You have a gas fireplace. Nice cabinets. And we'll just take a walk through here. You have a bathroom. No mirror, you gotta pick one up. But again, tile, you know I love tile. If you've been watching my videos, not plastic. And we go out to the bedrooms. Nice shutters on the inside. Decent sized closet. Beautiful bedroom. And oh, it's a Jack and Jill bathroom. That door leads to the bathroom back there. What's this? A closet. And we're gonna travel upstairs. To to the left of the stairs, we have a nice bedroom. Again, tile, awesome. Tile. You could tell this family was really great at taking care of this place. Oh, nice hardwood floors too. You guys see the floors? Oh, there's the hallway light. Clean. This is the master. Do we go in here? Why not? Huge. You can put your a king size bed here. Have that as your sitting area. Huge vanity. Of course, that was his and all of that's hers. Spa tub, awesome. We have a shower here. Looks like that's a bench. I believe this might be a closet. No. Nice size walk-in closet. And you have another closet, towels and things. Ugh, spider webs. Oh, okay. Nice bedroom. Got 2 closets. Nice size. There we go, light. More tile, yay. No plastic tubs. All right. And again, his and her sinks, Jack and Jill bathroom. And then when you go right here, second bedroom. Well, not the second, but attached bedroom. Nice big closet. Nice windows, a lot of light. And I was looking for the light switch, can't find it. Wait. All right, playing with the lights. Very spacious room. Now we're going to check out that basement. White lights. Oh. All right, these some Georgia Bulldog fans. I can respect that. I like Notre Dame myself, so don't let that get you mad. And you have another room here. This is a great space, guys. Don't let an opportunity get past you. And, okay. Great storage space. Hide some kids' Christmas presents in here if that's what you want to do. Another bathroom, all tile, no plastic. How about them dogs? Guys, I can't begin to tell you how nice and clean this place is. It's move-in ready. You can tell that the current owners really took care of this home and worked very hard to keep and maintain a proper home, and they did an excellent job. This is a great space for your family. And where is that switch? Okay, there's no light switch, but your furnace is in there, more storage space. And again, more space, family area. You can put a refrigerator right there. More cabinet space, storage space. You have back doors that lead out to the backyard. All right, and we have the light switch. To me, I would turn this into a theater room. You have a closet here, more storage space. I like how they did it. What do you guys think? A lot of space, and we got more storage space. Where's the switch there, light? Yeah. So you could say this is a closet, and this big space here could be a bedroom. Maybe you have a parent. Let's see here, more closet space. Is that locked? All right, we could take a look in the backyard. It's a nice yard. Great bushes. Looks like 2 or 3 of your neighbors have pools. You have an opportunity to make friends or get your own pool. You got the space. So what do you guys think? Hit me up on Instagram, my email, or just give me a phone call. You need me to sell a property for you? You want to take a look at this property? we can do that. It's a great space, guys. Don't let a good opportunity get past you. We're gonna go upstairs and take a look at that balcony. Hey guys, almost forgot the garage right here. We have a spacious garage, very big, 3-car garage. I don't know if you guys can see that. You have a lot of space. And I believe that is a timer for the sprinkler system. So you got an automatic sprinkler system. We'll go outside and take a look at that balcony. We'll close that up. All right, we're at the balcony. This is it. Oh, wow. Wait a minute. I get locked out. All right. Your neighbors immediately to your left have a pool. Look at that. Yeah, so if you buy this place, you got to make friends because all your neighbors look like they have pools. But again, you have this big backyard. You can get your own pool. All right, guys, hit me up. Oh, they pool looks nice. So, not this house, but the next house. Oh, they pool is rocking with the jacuzzi. All right, guys, that's it for the day. I did show 3 homes. One, I couldn't record it. It was a big dog that kept following me around, and if you know me, you know I don't like big dogs unless I know the dog. So hit me up, let me know what you think, and I'll be back with more.